How to delete drafts on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete drafts on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now all you need to do is choose drafts you want to delete and click on select the videos draft that you want to delete. You should know that drafts are only visible to you, so and this is even like your choice if you want to delete them or just let them in private. Click on it and click on delete. Once you select the draft you want to delete, choose them and click on delete and delete them all at once. This is the easy method. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like.